Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to block someone on Facebook. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly open the Facebook application. So after this you can see search option. So just click on search. So after this write the name which you want to block. So for example, I want to block this person. So just click on it. So after this you can see three dots. So just click on it. And after this you can see block option. So just click on block options. So after this click on confirm to block. So when you will click on block, so this person will be blocked. So it is the first method. So second method is that go to back, and here you can see three lines on the top right corner. So just click on it. So after this click on setting and privacy. So after clicking the setting and privacy you can see setting options. So click on it and then scroll down the page, and here you can see blocking options. So in audience and visibility you can see blocking options. So just click on it, and then you can see add to block list. So just click on plus options. So after this write the name which you want to block. So after writing the name you can see it will show the list of name. So select the name which you want to block. So after selecting click on it, and then click on block options. So for example I want to block Zahid Tamur. So click on it and then click on block option. So you can see this person is blocked. So guys, in this way you can block anyone on Facebook. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.